Hello, and thank you for watching this video. I am so sorry that I am unable to be here for Parent Night due to previous commitments. I would like to take the time to introduce myself and tell you a little about the class. My name is Cheryl Bishop, and I am your student's advanced geometry teacher. I am a Marshall graduate and earned my Bachelor of Science in Mathematics from UTSA in 2001. This is my 23rd year teaching and my 18th year here at Marshall. In addition to teaching advanced geometry, I also teach On-Ramps College Algebra, which is a dual course through the University of Texas, and I am also the Math Department Coordinator. Geometry is a cumulative course building upon students' Algebra 1 skills. Strong algebra skills are necessary to be successful in advanced geometry. Students will be given a notes packet for each unit. After each lesson, there is an independent practice for each student to complete. Students can self-check their work on the independent practices by completing assignments in Schoology. The daily assignments in Schoology are not mandatory for credit in class. They are for students to self-check their progress. However, the individual practices will be checked in the packets for completion. During each unit, we will have open note quizzes that ask questions directly from the notes and directly from the independent practices. In addition, there will be 3 to 4 new problems over the material covered on the quiz. Should a student feel the need to retest to raise their grade, there will be the opportunity at the end of each marking period by completing the quarter exam. The quarter exam serves as the retest. Grades earned on each section of the quarter exam will be used as retest grades to replace lower test grades if necessary. I am looking forward to a great year with your students. Let's take a minute and I'll show you around the class. Let's take a look at our classroom. The classroom is unique. We have this nice long hallway. Once we enter the classroom, we have the teacher desk here. I did want to show an example of the type of note packets that students will receive if you are in On-Ramps College Algebra. You will receive a packet usually it's done in 2 unit increments. It does tell you when your test is going to be, and on the inside cover, you will have all the information of what's going to be due on what days for that unit. For geometry, we will do the same thing. You'll have your unit packet, and on the back cover, you will have a calendar that tells you when all your independent practice checks are, when the quizzes are, what they cover, and when the test is. Okay, as we move around the room, some of the things we'll see are calculators, which we will use all the time in geometry, not as much in On-Ramps College Algebra. We have our turn-in bins where we turn assignments in, and then we have our sharing shelves where there is pencils to borrow, there's hand sanitizers, Kleenex, there are boxes of supplies that students may borrow as long as they return them. Moving to this side of the room, I do have a charging station. So if students need to charge a device, it's at the front of the room so everyone's eyes are on them all the time. On the back wall of the room, I do have weekly agendas. So in addition to having the calendar in their packet, they will have a weekly agenda we can see in advanced geometry. Tomorrow, I'm gonna do an independent practice check over day 1 and day 2. They should have those complete in their packet. On Friday, they'll have a packet quiz. So they need to have their packets with them, their notes and independent practice completed. In On-Ramps, here's the On-Ramps schedule for this week. Tuesday, they had a college homework assigned. Today, we had a high school quiz assigned. Tomorrow, that college homework is due for a high school grade. It does stay open. They can turn it in up until when we take the test, and I'll still give them credit. And then on Friday, their college homework unit 2, part 1 will be assigned. And so this is our classroom. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I will be happy to answer any questions that you have. Thank you.